take your time with that, get the color in there. Go all the way
The
around.
teachers were the
till you get to
students at
bottom.
this art
Don't go
workshop
on.
at the Art Center of Coastal Carolina on Hilton Head Island. Teachers from 7 Arts Infused schools took part in the lesson, learning how to make butterfly puppets and the best way to integrate this type of art into their curriculum.
This is pretty exciting for me because it's like a puppet, and in the theater we do shadow boxes and puppetry, and so this just gave me another idea of how to help my students create it.
Storytelling with kids is always an awesome way to go in art, so I could see maybe making puppets to go with the story that we're learning about.
The workshop is part of a partnership the Beaufort County School District has with both the Art Center and with Kennedy Center artists.
Together, we provide the teachers with these arts integration opportunities so that they can hopefully learn some new techniques and kinesthetic learning that they can take back into their classrooms and share with their students.
The teachers say they really like having the opportunity to share with their colleagues how they infuse art into their lessons and to experience new art forms.
I think it's important to come together and have a chance to talk to your teammates that you work with in a creative setting. It's great to see other techniques that other teachers have, and just have that time together to learn and throw ideas off each other.
More than anything, I really enjoy talking to the visual arts teachers, the course teachers, and see how we can all work together to bring this into our classes. It's interesting.
The school district and the Art Center of Coastal Carolina began this partnership back in 1992. On Hilton Head Island, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
That's looking beautiful. Very good.